Oh, yeah, record. Yeah, it's a new day. So welcome to my channel for those who are coming back. For laba abacalayo ukufika, ngicela ningaqali kule video le. Ngidrope 2 videos before le yanamhlanje. So ngicela uqale kuwo. The topic yakhona, I think it's price action. Then kuze i-power of 3. Then kuba ile. So yeah, ngicela niqale khona. Ngibonge kulabo abasubscribe-ile. It really means a lot to me. So ingaya ne-energy ukuthi ngiphushe yabo, because khona abantu ababukela i-content engiyidrophayo. Ngifuna ukukucela ukuthi ni-comment-e on what I should improve yabo. So mangabe nithulile, then angazi ukuthi amele ngi-improve kuphi nakuphi. So yeah, singaqala. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma nge-market structure. Ngi-explain-a i-market structure ngendlela mina engi-understand-a ngayo. Ngaphambi kokuthi ngi-explain i-market structure, for laba abangangazi, igama uStan Lewis ne. Stan Lewis. Ngiyi-tutor from Inkazimulo Center. So ngisiza abantwana besikolo ama-grade 10, 11 and 12 nge-maths ne-science. Mangabe unosisi or ubhuti osafunda isikole e-high school, ningangithinta kulama number wami avela ku-thumbnail ngiyacabanga. Yeah, ngizokhona ukubasiza. So kule video le ngizokhuluma nge-market structure, ukuthi yini i-market structure ngendlela mina engi-understand-a ngayo. Mangabe usafuna ukwazi more after le video le, you can just do your research khona la ku-YouTube or via Google, then uzoyithola lento oyifunayo. Market structure ngizo-explain-a yona ukuthi i-market imuva kanjani kahle kahle. So i-market i-create i-structure mayimuva. So le structure lesi siprintwa ilama candlestick esiwabonayo njalo masivula i-chart lethu. I hope it makes sense. For laba abasaqala ukutrader, let's say usasemusha ne, and ufuna ukutrader. What I can advise you should do ukuthi okwamanje ungafocus on ukuvula i-account utrade ne. Just focus on okutholeni i-knowledge, yeah. Focus on getting i-knowledge. Wazi ukuthi i-market imuva kanjani, ini kanjalo kanjalo. Ungajaheli ukudeposita because kuyaluzwa ku-market. And I'm not a financial advisor. Ukuyenza lama video lawa angiyenzeli ukuthi ni-trade. I'm making them solely because my younger brother is ufuna ukutrade. So in a way ngifundisa yena kahle kahle. Then namajita wami lawa afuna ukutrade. Amanye ayatrade already. Khona information angayazi, but then so ngikhiphela bona yabo. Then laba abanye ke sekuzonisiza nani ukuthi niyazi le information le. And futhi ngiyazi izoba easy mayikhuluma. Okay, I'm not bragging or yabona sengiyayimosha manje. Kuzoba easy ukuthi ni-understand ngendlela engikhuluma ngayo yabo, because I can relate. Information le ngiyitholile, it was hard ukuthi ngi-grasp ihlale kimi. So kungcono if bekhona umuntu bekafundisa the way mina engifundisa ngakhona yabo. So ngifundisa because ngifisa ukuthi I wish bekhona umuntu obekafundisa kahle, yani angazi ngi-understand ukuthi ngizokhona uku-understand-a i-market like sooner and faster yabo. Okay, so njengoba ngisho ukuthi namhlanje ngizokhuluma nge-market structure. Kumele sazi ukuthi yini i-market structure. So i-price imuva in 3 direction. I-price if umusha, just go and watch the last two videos, then uze nawo or uye ku-playlist yami ubukele lawo ma-video ayi-2 before uzofika kule, then it will make sense to you. So i-price imuva in 3 different ngendlela eziyi-3, in three ways, ne? So it's either imarket iya phezulu noma iya phansi noma imile endaweni eyi-one. So a sharp, singasho kanje ukuthi a sharp move up or a sharp move down or no movement at all, or no movement. So it's either iya uptrender or iya downtrender noma iya consolidate. So ngizi-explainile on the previous video lezi zinto, but ngisazokhuluma ngazo futhi namhlanje. Or no movement at all, just sideways. So if imarket i-move sideways, sithi iya-consolidate or iya-correct ngesilungu simple, i-correction, then esinzima-ke singasho ukuthi i-consolidation. Mangabe imarket i-move up iya phezulu, sithi yini? I-bullish trend, ne? Bullish trend. So iya kuphi? Iya up, iya phezulu mayi-bullish. Yini i-bullish trend? I-bullish trend ila usuke ubona imarket i-create ama-moves aya higher like so, uyayithola. Mawubona ama-candlesticks, ngiwa-explainile on i-previous video. Mawubheka ama-candlesticks wakho uzobona ama-up close candlesticks more than ama-down close candlesticks. So imarket lapho isuke yenzani? Isuke i-bullish, ne? So singasho ukuthi i-bullish trend, it is made up of a large number of up close candles, a large number of up close candlesticks than down close candlesticks. Yeah. So iyo leyo singasho kanjalo ukuthi uptrend le, but ngizoyiveza visually nge-drawing. And masiyibheka nge-line chart, ne? And in a line chart, masibheka nge-line chart siyibona i-creator indlela engathi ama-stepisi akhuphukayo. So uyayithola, in a line chart, we see a series of higher highs and higher lows, ne? So i-uptrend ke iyenza leyo move leyo. Mangikhuluma ngamagama, so visually kusuke kuyinto ekayo. So ama-up close candlestick angithi siyazi ukuthi kune-open, i-low price, bese kube i-high price, bese kuba i-close, uyayithola. Open, i-low, high price, close, kanjalo kanjalo. So i-uptrend singasho ukuthi into ekayo, nizoyibona kahle mase ngicela. Kunama-candlestick amaningi a-bullish ama-bullish candlesticks than ini ama-bearish candlesticks ne. And ubona i-momentum, sorry, i-momentum yakhona like makhulu ama-candlestick aya phezulu than lawa aya phansi. So kanjalo-ke sisuke siku-bullish market. Netho. Okay. Okay, so lawa bullish ngizowagrabisha so then lawa mnyama sizothi ama-bearish candlesticks. Okay, so clearly niyayibona lento leyo ukuthi iyaphi, iyaphezulu ne. So yini, i-bullish trend. Then mangizosebenzisa i-line chart kuzoba into ekayo, up down, up down, up, nayithola. So le point le sithi yi-low ne, then i-market yakhuphuka then yafika somewhere bese ya-create ini, i-high, bese le yi-low yokusithupha, but le low le i-higher than this low. This low is higher than this low, so yona sizoyibiza ngani, nge-higher low. Bese i-market ikhuphuke futhi i-break-e le high le, bese siba nani, ne-higher high. Why kuba i-higher high? It's because it is higher than the previous high ne. Le high le i-higher than le, bese kube nani, higher low futhi because it's higher than this low, bese kuba nani, a higher high. Nayithola. So sithi i-market yenzani mayihamba sona, it is uptrending. Nayithola. So u-H umele ukuthi high, u-L yi-low, then H higher low, higher, why ngithi higher low, higher high, higher high, then HL sithi i-higher low, higher low. Okay, so i-market mangabe iya uptrend ngizobona i-series of ama-higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low create-eka yona ane, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So i-steppies like yabona ugibela la phinde ugibele, i-steppies esikhuphukayo kahle kahle. I hope it makes sense. Then uma ngabe i-market ayi-trendi up, sithi yenzani, i-trenda down, and i-down trend siyibiza ngani, nge-bearish trend. Ngibhale kanjalo ngibhale trending, okay, down, bearish trend. So sithi yini, i-down, iyaphansi. Hope kuyazwakala lokho. Okay, so mangabe i-trenda downwards, so i-price mangabe i-trenda downwards, obviously sizobona ama-bearish candlesticks more than any ama-bullish candlesticks. So singasho kanjalo ukuthi when price is trending, when price is bearish, we see more down close candles than candlesticks. sticks than up close candlesticks. Up close candlesticks. Sticks. I hope it makes sense lento le. Ne? So kusho ukuthi lana masizosebenzisa i-line chart sizobona ini? Visually, ubhala kanjani visually, oh la la, visually, sorry guys, can I pause? Okay, I'm back. So visually, on a downtrend we see masebenzisa i-line chart ne. Visually on a line chart, we see more, or a series, we see a series of lower highs and lower lows ne. Okay, before ngizobhala lento le, so nala kuma candlestick i-high yethu le, i-low yethu le, then lena yini, higher low, then but la I think okay, higher high yethu le, bese kuba yini, higher low, then kuba yini, higher high. Nayithola. So into bengiyishilo le. So njengoba seku-bearish, njengoba ngisho ukuthi uzobona i-series yama-lower lows nama-lower highs. So using ama-candlestick, or we see more down close candlesticks than up close candlesticks. Ooh. Okay, so sinale candlestick there. So sibuya ku-downtrend ne, sibe naleli bese siba nalo. Okay, sibe nalo. Engulfing, so bathi engulfing le. For laba abafundile ama-candlesticks, abawaziyo ama-candlestick bayazi ukuthi yini engulfing, negama liyazisho engulfa, like yeah, ngizoyiveza manje. Okay, so sina more down candlesticks than ini ama-down close candlesticks than ama-up close candlesticks in this case. Okay, so lawa mhlophe njengalapha phezulu ama-bullish candlesticks ne, then lawa mnyama engizowashiya mnyama ama-bearish candlesticks. So i-bull, nayo elinye i-bull. Okay, so i-market isuke kule low le, ya-create le high, then ya-drop-a, ya-break-a le low le, ya-create ini, i-lower than the previous low, so sithi yini, i-lower low, then yaya phezulu, ya-create i-low, i-high e-lower than this high, so siyibiza ngani, nge-lower high, then ya-drop-a futhi, ya-create ini, i-lower low, then lower high. So sinani, low high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low. So using i-line chart kuzoba into ekayo, i-low, i-high, i-lower high, i-lower low, i-lower high, i-lower low. So low, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Ne? So u-L no-H abakatshintshi, so sesinama-terms amasha. So sino lower low, which is lower low. Why bathi lower low? It's because ingoba le low le i-lower than this low, hence lower low. Then kube nani i-lower high. Why kuyi-lower high? It's because this high is lower than this high, and this high is lower than these two highs. Hence kuba yini lower high, lower high, lower high. Yeah, this siyadlula. So if market ay trending up or trending down, isuke yenzani? I-consolidate. So sithi consolidation isuke imove sideways. Consolidation. Yeah. So most of the time uzoyibona i-price i-create ama-higher lows or ama-equal lows, sorry, ama-equal lows nama-equal highs. So price during this phase, it is accumulating moving sideways. So isuke i-accumulator imove sideways. Visual uzobona i-price ifoma ama-equal highs nama-equal lows. Price forming equal highs and equal lows. So EQL, EQH kumele ukuthi equal highs, then EQL with a small s kumele ukuthi equal lows. Ngiyayithola. So kule phase le consolidation i-market ila i-create khona into esiyibiza nge-liquidity. Ngiyayithola, ama-buy side. So ama-equal highs asuka a-create ini? I-buy side liquidity. Then ama-equal lows create ama-sell side. Now I know. Sell side liquidity. Consolidation phase ke umsebenzi wayo lo. So masebenzisa ama-candlestick kuzoba into ekayo. Uzobona ama-candlestick aya phezulu alingana nama-candlesticks aya phansi, or i-market nje ime endaweni eyi-one isikhathi eside. Like iyaphansi iyaphezulu, iyaphansi iyaphezulu. Then i-trader ine-range ethize, range of i-price ethize. Okay. So lawa yaphezulu ama-bullish, lawa yaphansi ama-bearish candlesticks. So angeke wazi ukuthi izobreaka kuphi kuqala, wena kamele uyilinde nje ukuthi icede ukuyenza lo msangano wayo iyenzayo, then La izobreaka khona kuqala, let's say izobreaka phezulu kuqala, kusho ukuthi indusa ini ama-buy stops, uyayithola. So leyo seyakutshela i-signal in a way ukuthi siyaphansi, sizoya phansi. Sorry, if i-price izocala i-break-e phezulu kuqala kule consolidation yakho, izosuke i-induce ama-buy stops, and lokho kwamele kukutshela ukuthi i-overall direction yalelo langa lelo kuzobe kuyini, uptrend, ngoba icale ya-induce ama-buy stop before i-induce ama-sell stop. So izo-induce ama-buy stops bese ibuye ikhiphe ama-sell stops bese ikunikeze ini, i-direction of the day, i-distribution kahle yalelo langa lelo. Uyayithola? Hope niyayithola, but ngizoyiveza mhla sifika kuyo leyo section leyo. Okay, so ngizoyigcina la. Lawa yaphezulu njengoba bengisho ukuthi ama-bullish candlesticks, bullish. So i-bullish yethu in this case i-white. Kuma-chart wenu nizobona ama-candlesticks a-green ayaphezulu, then lawa red lawa yaphansi. Okay, so niyabona la i-market imuva sideways, like ayiyi phezulu, like in one direction, like up. It's moving sideways, iyaya phezulu iye phansi ngokulingana kwale range le ephezulu ngayo. So isuke i-trader between a certain price, let's say u-10 lana u-5. So i-trader between these two prices, but ayikho i-price eku-10 no-5, maybe khona, angazi. So lana sinama-equal lows, then lana sibe nama-equal highs, uyayithola. So sithini, consolidation ngale phase le mayenza so. So inokuphuma-ke bese ikuyenzele bese ibuye futhi, uyayithola, but sisazokhuluma ngayo. So ku-line chart kusuke kuyinto ekayo, equal lows, equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, kanjalo kanjalo. So sine-low, sine-high, sine-equal low, equal high, kanjalo kanjalo, low high, low high, low high, low high. So yiyo-ke lena i-pattern ye-market structure kahle kahle. So mangabe ayi-uptrend isuke yenzani, i-downtrend, or mangabe ayi-uptrend isuke i-consolidate, mangabe ayi-consolidate isuke yenzani, i-downtrend, uyayithola. So yiyo le. Then kube nesikhathi la khona i-market ifuna ukusuka ku-uptrend iye kuphi, iye ku-downtrend. So lento leyo siyibiza nge-reversal, leyo pattern leyo. So when the market, angithi i-graph le guys, for laba abayaziyo i-maths, ama-graph niyawazi, amuva. Okay, so i-market imuva in a sort of like i-sine wave, so into so, uyayithola. Imuva kanjalo i-market in the long run kahle kahle. Uma ungayibheka like e-chartini elikhulu uzobona ukuthi lento le i-create-a i-wave, into ekayo, uyayithola. So kulama-points lawa la i-market angithi la isuke i-uptrend, then lana isuke i-downtrend, then uptrend, downtrend. So kule point le sithi i-reversal, iya-reverse i-market, reversing from here, it's reversing from i-bullish to i-bearish. Here is reversing from i-bearish to i-bullish, uyayithola. So lawo ma-points lawo masisebenzisa i-knowledge esiyithole ku-I_C_T singasho ukuthi ama-market maker buy model or market maker sell model because yiwo ama-reversal points vele lawo. I-reversal point kahle kahle i-create-a i-market maker buy model ne-market maker sell model. So ngizowaveza manje. Okay. So we also have i-market. So leyo point la i-market ishifta khona i-reverse khona from i-bullish to i-bearish siyibiza nge-market structure shift. We also have i-market structure shift. So kusuka ku-bullish uye ku-bearish or ku-bearish uye ku-bullish. Market structure shift where a bullish move, where a bullish trend, shifts to a bearish trend, or where a bearish trend shifts to a bullish trend, Okay guys, so i-goal yami ukufika ku-50 subscribers ne. So once ngingafika ku-50 subscribers ngizokhona ukuyenza ama-live streaming videos. So ngizo-live streamer like live price action ukuthi i-market imuva kanjani. So that's my goal. Once I get to 50 subscribers, I'll start live streaming like not every day but almost every day, every trading day, or lamalanga lawo engizobe ngitrade ngawo. I hope niyangithola. So i-market structure shift ukuchange kwe-direction from i-bull to i-bear or from i-bear to i-bull ne. So sithi yini? Market structure shift, MSS. Lento bekamele ngiyifake la kuma-bracket. So MSS, market structure shift ne. So visually i-market structure shift ifomeka, so izolo bengikhuluma nge-power of 3. So i-market structure shift visually ifomeka during i-manipulation phase. So njengoba ngisho izolo bengikhuluma nge-power of 3. So i-manipulation phase I did explain ukuthi yini manipulation phase ne. That's why ngithi go back to ama-video, to the previous videos mangabe i-video yakho yokuqala leyo uyi-view. So i-market structure shift into so i-market beyibhaya, okay, beyibhaya high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then lower low ne. Then a creator in lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So a market structure shift in the market structure shift. So sinani sine low, sine high, sine higher low, sine higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then all of a sudden market creator in lower low. Believe creator in a higher low, nama higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then has created in lower low. So leyo i-signal ukuthi oh the market is shifting structure now. Then ya-create-a ini i-lower high, so le confirmation ila singena khona ke la, then yayehla futhi ya-break-a, siyachubeka lower low, lower high, lower low. So from la to here the market was bullish, ne? Bull. Then from here to there the market is bearish, bear. So the market shifted structure right there. Nayithola. So yiyo le i-market structure shift, market shifting from bullish to bearish. So bayibiza ngani le i-market market maker by model. Angeke ngibe nespace sokubhala le nto le. So le pattern leya evele khona la ne bayibiza nge-market maker by model. Sorry, not by model, sell model, because siyasell, ne? Market maker sell model. So MMSM, market maker sell model. So kuma market structure shift ila sithola khona ini market maker sell model or market maker buy model. Usually kahle kahle into ozoyibona le kuma, let's say na i-market yakho yenza so, la uzobona into ekayo, bese la uzobona i-market maker buy model, ngizoyibhala, ngizoyiveza uma ngiceda la. Then nala uzobona into ekayo, like into ekayo, so which is this point right here. So kusho ukuthi ama-swing highs nama-swing lows akunikeza ini i-market maker buy model ne-market maker sell model. Swing highs akunikeza i-market maker sell model, swing lows nikeze i-market maker buy model. Hope I'm making sense. Okay, so bearish, i-shift from i-bearish to i-bullish into ekayo. So sine high, low, high, i-low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Sorry, structure sama asikho straight. Higher low, higher high. So sine high, sine low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then all of a sudden sesinani higher high, because it's higher than this high, higher than that high. This is even nani higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low, higher high. Method. So la sinani market structure shift isinikeza ini market maker buy model. So market maker maker buy model. So the market is shifting from bearish, sorry, to bullish. In this case, the market maker buy model, it shift from the bearish to the bullish. Yeah, I make sense. I think bullish. Yeah. So here the market structure. So kumele ni understand kahle kahle ini ama market maker buy model mangabe ngifuna ukwazi ama reversal we structure, ne? njengoba ngisho sinani sine-market maker buy model, sine-market maker sell model kuma-reversals. So kuma-points, so let's say market i-bullish, so kule point le uzothola ini, market maker sell model, so i-reversal to i-bearish, then maybe kube ne-fair gap la, then lana kuzoba nani, market maker buy model, then ikhuphuke kube ne-market maker sell model futhi kanjalo 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 kanjalo. So ama-swing points wakho, so let's sithi swing low, lena sithi swing high. So kuma-swing points wakho market maker models, or ila i-market shifter khona. So lama model lawa usually afoma kuwo wonke ama-time frames, but mangabe ufuna lawa precise afoma kuma-lower time frames ne. Mina personally I use i-3 minutes chart. So ku-3 minutes la ngiwathola khona lama points lawa, lama shifts lawa, market maker shift, yeah, market maker shift models, ngasho kanjalo. Ne, ningakhohlwa lezi zinto lezi. So yiyo le ini i-market structure. I-structure it's either it's buying, consolidating or selling, consolidating, buying, kanjalo kanjalo ne. So lana ila uthola khona ini, market maker sell model, then market maker buy model, kanjalo kanjalo, market maker sell model. I hope niyayithola. So up, down, up, down, down. So on the next video ngizobe ngi-explain ama-point of interest. So kubalulekile ukuthi ni-understand i-structure ukuthi simuva kanjani. So once ni-understand ukuthi i-structure simuva kanjani, nizoba great ne. So ama-points of interest ila i-market ijika khona. So njengala, if bekuyi-chart straight, kamele wazi ukuthi ijikiswe yini la. So sithi yini le nto ejikisayo i-market lana, sibiza ngama-point of interest ne. I think I'm going to cut the video here. Thanks. Ngicela ni-subscribe because like most of you do watch my videos but anikho subscribe to my channel. So ngicela ningisize sifike ku-50 subs, 50 subs. Then mangizofika la ngizokhona uku-live stream ama-videos. Ngizobe ngisebenzisa I think i-TradingView if not i-MetaTrader 5. So thank you.